Prime time news this evening. Dissatisfied. Government breaks silence on banking fees hike saga. A TVJ News exclusive. Footage released on final moments before gunmen kill Chinese couple in St. Elizabeth. And later, the final of a primetime news in focus on the craft vending industry.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the business day, there's Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, do you think the absence of fans in the National Stadium will impact the Reggae Boys' performance tomorrow? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News will return after this break.